Hey guys, my name is Rich. Welcome to my channel. Now, if you're new here, something I do quite often is unbox and review items for content creators. And today, I've got another one of those items. Now, this is something that promises to be the ultimate two-channel wireless microphone system. And that can only be one thing: the Saramonic ULTRA. Now, this is something I'm really excited to get out of the box and test out, so let's get right to it. So when we first open the box for the Saramonic ULTRA, inside we have a box with some stuff inside of it. Warranty registration, instruction manual, and the charging case. Oh wow, this is really nice actually. This is it has a leather look to it, and this is quite possibly one of the nicest charging cases I think I might have ever seen. We open the case, and inside we see our two microphone transmitters and our receiver. Let's take a look at the receiver. On the side, there's something that looks like an antenna. We've got our charging ports on the bottom, a USB-C on the bottom, and a audio output. And on top, we have our display and our control knob. On our receiver, or on our transmitters, we have a button here. Looks like a microphone here and a place to plug in your lavalier. A USB-C on the side, charging port on the bottom, and we have our buttons for recording. This can do internal recording and noise cancellation as well. And we also get a USB-C and a Lightning adapter as well, so you can use this with your phone and not just your camera. Very cool. Looks like they thought of everything. Inside this pouch we have a USB to USB-C cable. We have an audio cable. We have two wind muffs for the transmitters. And let's see what else we have here. Oh, this is the antenna for the receiver for an extended range. And we also have some more stuff here. Our lavaliers. Two wired lavaliers with clips and covers. And this is everything that comes in the box for the Saramonic ULTRA. So I've gone ahead and mounted the Saramonic ULTRA to my camera, which is a Sony a7S III, and you're hearing me now on this little wireless receiver here. I'm holding it in my hands because I wanted to just talk about some buttons on the side here. Now, we have internal recording and we also have noise cancellation, and we have this little ring here right on the front of this unit. Now, this lights up when it's on, and when you turn noise reduction or noise cancellation on, it turns green. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. Press the noise cancellation button. And I don't know if it'll show on the camera, but it is green. So let me mount this on my shirt, and then we're going to give this a test. And I'm going to use the magnet, not the clip. So just like that, I've gone ahead and mounted the Saramonic ULTRA right to my shirt. And I'm going to do a quick test of this. I'm going to basically walk down here towards the water in this park I'm in, and it is a noisy park now. Now I'm going to do a test I put all of my wireless microphones through, and that is what I call the turnaround test. I'm going to walk down towards the water. I'm going to turn around, and we're going to see if the audio drops out when it loses line of sight. Now, I don't think this particular unit is going to have an issue because it's actually meant for long distances, but I also want to test how it works without the wind muff attached. I'm in a park right now. I feel a slight breeze, so I want to see if I'm cutting out when I listen to this back. What do you guys think of the audio so far? So without the wind muff, without the antenna, let's go. This is the Saramonic ULTRA, which they're claiming to be the ultimate wireless system. And you know what? I kind of think it's very cool that they included a lightning port, a USB-C port. They have the audio cables. You can use your camera. And so far, this is actually a very, very cool unit. A couple of things I don't like about it already right out of the box is that there's no display on the actual microphone transmitter. So, you know, on a unit like the Blink Me B2, you can actually see all of your settings right then and there, and there's no question. Like right now I have to question whether the noise reduction is on or off. I'm not there at the camera. Now I'm here close to the water's edge, and I'm going to turn around, and you guys tell me if the audio cuts out. So I've turned around now. Can you guys still hear everything I'm saying? Did it cut out at all? I don't think this one is going to do that, but I'm also going to put the antenna on to the receiver, and we'll see how that sounds and how that affects anything. All right, so I've gone ahead and put the antenna onto the receiver. So now I'm going to walk back towards the edge here again, and let's just see if it sounds any different than it did a moment ago. Now, you know what? Let's give this a better test. I'm going to walk away, facing away from the camera and the transmitter, and I just want to see if it cuts out at all. I'm going to continue all the way to the water's edge here, and let's just see what happens. Can you guys still hear me as I'm here by the water? I don't even know if you can see me anymore. I'm so far away. But did I cut out at all the entire time I was walking away from the camera? I'm going to come back now, and we're going to do a test of the noise reduction on and off. So, did I cut out at all when I turn around? All right, so this is noise reduction on, and now noise reduction is off. So this is what it sounds like with noise reduction off. Can you guys hear all the noise from the park? There's people riding bikes, ringing bells, people walking around talking, birds chirping, cars honking their horns. That was almost right on cue. I'm going to turn the noise reduction back on. Okay, I've got the green ring. Noise reduction is on. What do you guys think of the audio quality of the Saramonic ULTRA? I'm going to put a wind muff on and see if it does anything. All right, so I've gone ahead and mounted the wind muff to the microphone, and I just wanted to show you guys how it actually works. So check this out. So here I have the other receiver, and we just have this little thing with a little prong here, and it just goes right into the top, and it seems pretty secure. So not too bad. So now that I have the wind muff on the transmitter, how does it sound? There's a plane overhead, and I believe noise reduction is on. Can you guys hear the plane? It's literally right over my head. My experience with Saramonic's noise reduction is that it's excellent, and by far one of the better sounding wireless microphone noise reduction systems that I've used. But let's test this even further. So I've gone ahead and grabbed the lavalier. I'm going to plug this in, and let's see how that sounds. All right, so I've gone ahead and plugged in the wired lavalier here on my shirt. And, you know, that's kind of cool because now you can hide this under your shirt and have it just clip right there. And you can put the wireless transmitter in your pocket, get it out of view if that's what you're looking for. I don't mind having this clipped to my shirt or stuck on magnetically, so it really doesn't bother me all that much. But anyway, how does this wired lavalier sound? I'm going to turn the noise cancellation off, and there's a plane right over my head. Can you guys hear it? While it's over my head, I'm going to turn the noise cancellation on. Noise cancellation is on. What do you guys think? Now, some of the cool features that the Saramonic Ultra has is it's got 32-bit float recording. It has timecode sync. It says it has a 130 decibel SPL, so it can really sustain some loud noises. And it also has the noise cancellation that I've been testing out, as well as being waterproof. What else do we need? So once again, this is the Saramonic Ultra, the ultimate 2-channel wireless microphone system. What did you think? Please leave me some comments in the comment section below and let me know your thoughts as to how you feel it sounds with the lavalier, how it sounds with noise cancellation on and off, how it sounds when I went down there and turned around. Did I cut out at all? And also, get this, we're getting used to wireless microphones that all have 32-bit float in them, so you can really adjust the bandwidth when you're editing. So you can just hit the record and you always have a backup if you need backup. The magnetic mounting is standard now, and it's awesome. I love that. I don't think any microphone has ever 100% passed my turnaround test, except for maybe this one. So that really says something. Maybe this really is the ultimate wireless microphone system. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and think about subscribing, because I do this all the time and you're going to miss my videos if you're not subscribed. Hope everybody's doing well out there, and I'll see you again in the next video. Bye.